Hi, I'm Sigourney Cantelo, beauty journalist and founder of Beauticate. In all my years of writing about beauty and skincare, I've seen so many ingredients come and go. So there are trendy ingredients and marketing hype, but the products that really last the distance are those that contain scientifically researched and truly efficacious ingredients. So we'll start at the very beginning of the skincare alphabet, vitamin A. Now, this is a true rock star ingredient. It does everything but the dishes. It mixes fine lines, it brightens skin, it shrinks large pores, it helps with blemishes and acne. So this is one of my favorites, Ultraceuticals Ultra A Skin Perfecting Serum Mild. This is the mild version. There are actually 3 levels, and you introduce it really gradually, and as your skin can tolerate it, then you move up to the next level. So this one contains microparticles of stabilized retinol, which is tolerated by more people and absorbs really beautifully into the skin. Another ingredient in the skincare alphabet, of course, is vitamin C. Now this is a beautiful cream. This is Antipodes DM Vitamin C Pigment Correcting Water Cream. So it's a really beautiful formulation. It's kind of like whipped gold in a jar. It's just so glowy. It really gives you a beautiful tone on the skin as soon as you use it. It also contains Kakadu plum, which is nature's richest source of vitamin C. It has a really beautiful scent as well. It's kind of like vanilla and citrus. Another ingredient to have in your skincare arsenal going into winter is hyaluronic acid. Now, it's a humectant, meaning that it draws water to the skin and binds it to the skin. In fact, it can hold over 1,000 times its own weight in water. Now, this is Dermalogica Circular Hydrating Serum. It's really beautiful. You can actually feel it work as soon as you pop it on your skin. Hyaluronic acid is great when you want that really pillowy, juicy brand of glow, when you just want your skin to look like it's glowing from within. So what are postbiotics? They're actually the metabolic byproduct from probiotic bacteria, which, yep, as you guessed it, is my final ingredient. We all know that probiotics are huge in gut health. Well, it turns out that our skin needs a beautifully balanced microbiome as well. They have an essential protective effect, strengthening the immune system, repairing damage, and protecting against allergens and UV exposure. So this is Lancome's Advanced Genifique. It is the brand's most popular serum and was 20 years in the making. It contains millions of probiotic fractions, including yeast and bifidus extracts. As you can see, it's really beautiful and lightweight. In fact, it's known in the industry as sleep in a bottle. It adds a bit of a slip to the skin when you first put it on, but then it just absorbs and disappears completely, leaving just beautifully springy, bouncy skin. And there you have it, a few of the most reliable and well-researched ingredients around.